In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Wix website. This simple yet effective addition can significantly boost your site's connectivity and engagement. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate social media buttons without any hassle. First off, let's navigate to the Wix website. Open up your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're there, locate the website you want to enhance with social media icons. It should be straightforward. Just select the appropriate site from your dashboard and let's get started. Now that you're in the website editor, it's time to add the social media elements. You'll find this option by looking for the Add Elements button. It's usually located on the left panel of your editor. When you click on Add Elements, a menu will appear showcasing various features and components you can use to customize your site. We're focusing on social media today, so go ahead and click on the Social option within this menu. At this point, you should be presented with an array of social media icons. Wix offers a variety of styles and platforms to choose from to ensure the icons align with your site's look and feel. Here, you can take your time to scroll through the different options. Find the ones that fit your site's design and appeal to your audience. Once you've decided, simply click on the preferred icons to add them to your site. It's as easy as that. However, our journey doesn't stop here. Icons alone won't connect visitors to your social media pages. Links need to be included. To do this, click on the newly added social media icons on your site, and you'll see an option to Set Social Links. This feature is where the magic happens. Clicking this will open a section where you can paste the URLs of your social media profiles. Make sure you have these links ready before this step to ensure a smooth process. Simply input each corresponding link for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and any others you want to include. Always double-check the links to ensure they direct users to the correct accounts. This verification step is crucial, as broken or incorrect links can frustrate visitors and detract from user experience. Once you've pasted the links into their appropriate placeholders, confirm your changes and preview your site. This preview will let you see how the icons look and function from a visitor's perspective. If everything appears in order, you're all set. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enhanced your Wix website with social media icons, creating a more interactive and connected experience for your audience. Now, your visitors have a quick and easy way to follow and engage with you across your social media platforms.